Welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel is for people in their 60s who love to have fun, who love to play golf, who love to cook, who love helping other people, who want to be able to create the income in their life that they thought they were going to have in retirement and it went away overnight or not. And they need a new way to create income. And what I am helping you do is get over the embarrassment and shame that you're in your 60s and you don't have enough money to retire, and the belief that you have to go back to work to create income, and the belief that you have to trade your time for income, and that you are too old to learn how to create money in a different way, because you're not. And that keeps you young when you're learning new things. So that is my first hope for you. And what I'm here, I know multiple different ways to make money online. And I know that there's a way that you can do it, a strategy that you can use that will work for you. Because I tried to create sourdough in many different ways. And when I finally found the strategy that works for me and the guidance that works for me, I finally became successful. And now I can make a sourdough loaf on demand. Well, similarly with making money online, when you find the strategy that works for you and the guidance that works for you, you can create income on demand. If that's what you want to learn how to do, keep watching.